Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next. So you just go down here, you click here on your name down here. So when you just click on your name, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click, you go down here, you click here on language here. Then it's going to show for you this list. And here can you select or change your language here on your ChatGPT app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.